Hi everyone, I'm Marcus Grimm, joined by Jon Santavy, partner at SimWell. Today we're unpacking a situation most of us have lived through. You're stuck in a line, you're watching everything slow down, and you're saying, why is this taking so long?
You're in the line, you see 5 people ahead of you, 3 agents, and immediately think, this is going to take a while.
And here's the thing, right? This wasn't the plan. Whoever runs that operation, they made decisions about staffing, scheduling, customer flow. They thought they had enough people in place.
But they didn't account for 2 things, variability and resource constraints.
And those are the real drivers of mayhem, and they're exactly what most spreadsheets and models miss.
So let's show what it looks like in action.
Here we've built 2 versions of the same scenario. In both of these scenarios, customers arrive on an average every 60 seconds, and tasks take an average of 57 seconds. But on the left, everything is fixed. Customers arrive every 60 seconds on the minute, and tasks take exactly 57 seconds. On paper, the system flows beautifully.
Yeah, but that's not real life.
Yeah, exactly. On the right, we introduce variability. Variability in the arrival and processing time, so that's getting pulled from a distribution. Sometimes they may arrive on the minute, it might be at 65 seconds, or 90 seconds, or 30 seconds. But there's some distribution where the arrival is pulling from, and same with the processing times. In some iterations, it's 57 seconds, some it may be 60 or 90 or 20. Suddenly, things get really messy, and even light resource constraints like fewer agents or longer tasks and queues really start building fast. The system backs up, throughput drops, wait times spike.
So even when the plan looks solid on paper, the real-world behavior, well, that's a lot different, isn't it?
Yeah, every time. That's why simulation matters. It lets you test decisions with variability and resource constraints built into the model, so you can understand how your system behaves under pressure.
All right, so let's connect this to decision intelligence. If I'm running this operation, obviously I don't want my customers all backed up in line like that, and I've just seen what really happens in the real world. What would I do differently if I was using simulation?
You can do a lot of things, and this is where the proven technology behind simulation meets decision intelligence. You might staff differently during peak hours, cross-train team members to reduce bottlenecks, or even restructure the process to absorb fluctuations more smoothly. These aren't guesses, they're decisions based on real system behavior.
So, if you're trying to make better decisions about throughput, service levels, or resource planning, but those outcomes keep surprising you,
simulation gives you a way to see those surprises before they happen. That's decision intelligence, using dynamic models to understand real system behaviors, not just ideal scenarios.
Hey, if you're curious about what's hiding in your operation, whether that's variability, constraints, bottlenecks, we'd love to walk you through it. Drop us a message or leave a comment. Let's talk about the decisions you're trying to get right. SimWell, how decisions get made.